Hello guys, today is Saturday guys, September 6. Ito yung tinapay natin. Ito ang Spanish bread, ensaymada. Ito yung burger bread, star bread. Yan guys. Ganda na naman yung tinapay natin guys. Burger bread with sesame ya guys. Sesame. Yan. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Yes. Spanish bread. Nandito pa tayo guys. Sayang. Last na to guys. Last.